Ciao! Hello, everyone! Hello!
This is the Traveling Tilos!
Hey guys, come with us to our most recent adventure to Italy.
Well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, where is it? Okay, here.
So our food just arrived and
We are at one now.
Are you ready for today?
Yeah.
You ready to see all your cousins and family? Yeah? Rudolph!
Hi, Rudy.
Look! Hi, Rudolph! Good job! We're gonna go up there.
What is that? What is that? What animal? He's on the other side, so we're gonna meet him in 40.
Yep. Wait, Nora. Ellie. Keep on going. We'll follow you.
Yeah, this is perfect. It felt like a million degrees and we were so over it, but it was only our first stop of the day.
Mobility vehicles with any type of traction, such as scooters, hoverboards, segways, and pedal-assisted electric bicycles, is expressly prohibited on board trains and in stations. For information, www.atc.ronald.19.
Hi, Daddy.
She said it was a perfume.
You have a ticket to go to Vatican We love
Wow, this is so cool. Is this the biggest church in the world?
Wow, this is beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, what a big difference in what we were.
Being 8 months pregnant while on this trip definitely has its perks because we got to skip the line and it was so insane, guys.
Wait, why'd they kick us out?
No, this is another line. We're going to another line.
Hello?
Was it
Is
on
this
the whole
Rudy?
time?
No, he just turned it on. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hi. Say hi, everyone. Hi. Hi.
Mommy hold you? Mommy hold? Huh? Mommy hold? 1, 2, 3, go. Are you getting tired? Boys? No, be careful.
Yeah. We're upstairs. Посмотри, понесу.
Oh, baby, look.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
the other toy.
The what?
The other toy.
Oh.
A las 2 nos toca seguir. You gotta be.
Y'all, this place was breathtaking to say the least, and it also happens to be the world's largest church. It was definitely worth the wait.
It's worth it. It is worth it. Even though we did the free one. Yeah, I don't know.
No.
We can't run in. That's a bat. It's a bat.
So before leaving the Basilica, I was approached by security because my shoulders were exposed. So if you ever plan on visiting, make sure to cover yourself up or get yourself a shawl. They sell them outside.
But I already used that. That's why they were selling it. Because it's a holy place. Yeah, I know. I know. As soon as stop it.
Can we exit this way or this way?
Because it's like censorship. Even if it's disrespectful because you're like exposing yourself. For them, because are you okay?
Yeah.
Good, Nora.
I see equipment.
Sister, are you okay?
Jeff.
The exit's over there.
One, and you drop to the ground.
Those awning, the green awning and the grass windows, that's where we were from.
I like to think get the hard part over.
What? That is not disgusting. Have you seen my toes? They're pretty. Pretty fat.
Alrighty. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
How do you say bye?
Bye.
How about Charles Hike? Oh, okay.
Bye bye, thank you.
Bye.
It's like a lie.